Not too long ago I made a video on this steak, and after that many of you guys sent me photos and videos about your own steaks. So now I'm taking this challenge to the next level. I dry aged the Ninja steak and today we are cooking it. Guys, we have the beautiful Ninja steak here with us. That was baptized by you guys because I used to call it the Argentinian cut and then you guys start calling the Ninja steak, and that's good with me. What I did with this baby that has become one of my favorites is to take it to the next level. I dry aged this baby for 30 days and it has to be amazing because the smells on this thing are crazy. But before we get into the video, guys, I want to let you know that the giveaway of this month is coming to an end. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and I'm going to have more information about that at the end of the video. Cutting the New York Striploin along the grain makes a lot of sense to me, and while I have no idea why this is not done more often, it is really something unique that you should try. And taking that unique and great steak to the next level is something that I've been thinking about since the first video. This New York Striploin has been dry aging for 30 days, and it's time to clean it and cook it. As you might already know, the process of dry aging removes moisture from the meat in order to make it more flavorful and tender. But what you might not know is that the process also allows bacteria, molds, and yeast to work on the meat. Those little helpers work together in the dry aging process, and that's what gives the meat its unique flavors and aromas. But don't worry, I know that in today's day when someone talks about microorganisms as the ones I mentioned before, the first question in your mind will be what damage this can create in your body and how healthy can it be. So let me explain. If you put this meat under a microscope, you will see the mold and yeast colonies that are created around some areas of the meat. But in reality, the molds working on the meat while it's dry aging is mostly related to penicillin, a well-known antibiotic. And if you worry about the yeast, let me tell you something. If you already ate bread or cake or anything baked, you already consumed yeast. So as you can see, those little helpers are not harmful in any way to us, to the point that they can be considered healthy to consume. And that is the main reason why so many experts do not recommend the usage of the dry aging bags. Because if you think about it, none of those molds, yeast and bacteria can get into the bags, and the final product is just a dry off meat lacking of all the other factors that play a big role in the dry aging process. And with all that said, let's get into cooking the Ninja steaks. If you already watched the video where I presented these awesome steaks, then you already know the reasons why this is the best way to cook the New York Striploin. And in case you haven't, checked the link in the description of this video to learn more about it. As always, I will be seasoning the steaks with salt and pepper, but this time I would also add some garlic powder to intensify the flavors. But remember to be careful when you are dealing with dry aged meat. The flavors on this meat are highly concentrated, and adding more spices to it can make those flavors too powerful for some people to handle. And before I forget, let me ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and to whack that like button if you're enjoying this video. And now is the moment that you've been waiting for. Let's see the final product. Miss Ninja, I got something here that I think you're gonna like.
Oh yeah?
And I have some pine trees right on top. I mean, it's looking beautiful, but we have to break it all and eat it all.
Thanks God Christmas is close.
Christmas is coming. And guys, I know Thanksgiving was yesterday, but happy Thanksgiving anyway.
Happy Thanksgiving.
This year we didn't do any turkey or anything like that because we don't really like turkey too much here.
Nay.
But we cook a lot of stuff, and if you check on Instagram,
Yes.
you're gonna see a lot of stuff that we cook. It was a lot of fun, and we had a lot of fun here with family. We have a lot of people.
A lot.
of people.
A lot.
So Miss Ninja, it's time to get the pine trees away.
There we go.
And give it a good try, and you tell me
Let's
how
do it.
do you like it.
So we got A, B, C.
No, it's not a comparison.
Oh,
It's
no A, B,
just a
C.
try. Just a
No
try.
A, B, C.
You tell me how much you like it.
I like
All
that.
right. You didn't bring any fork, huh?
No, today
No fork.
we're going.
We're going savage here. All right, guys, let's get a good try.
Mmm.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I really like it.
Guys,
The intensity of the flavor, absolutely outstanding.
this is so tender.
Yes, it is.
Really beefy, really flavorful,
Mm-hmm.
and so juicy inside, man. You don't even have to chew this thing. Missing, you're still chewing?
Yeah.
I don't know why she's still chewing, because this thing is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Man, this thing is so good. Guys, you have to give it a try. I know I say the bags are not good, but if you don't have any other way, man, do it with the bags, because this is amazing, guys.
Okay,
this
wait,
is something
wait.
that you should really try.
What are you talking about? Bags? What are we eating here?
This is dry aged.
No way.
And we call it the ninja steak now because everybody changed the name of it.
Are you
It
sure?
used to be the Argentinian cut, now it's the ninja's cut.
How many days?
30 days.
Oh, wow. Let me tell. Wait a second.
Yeah.
Because I have tried the 30 days dry age
Mm-hmm.
with a different piece,
Mhm.
a different cut,
Mm-hmm.
and it's way stronger. It's like the flavor comes through your nose, but this, it's totally different.
I
It's-
told you guys that Miss Ninja loves the 30 days only. That's
Wow.
what she wants. That's
Love
what
it.
she always like. The
Love it.
60 days is a little more intense. The flavor is
It's
a little
like-
more intense. But it's awesome, guys. For me, that's the best. But 30 days is a long time to wait.
This is
and
good.
it's amazing. It's really good. And you should give it a try. And now, guys, let me tell you about the giveaway.
The giveaway.
It's a giveaway. It's a giveaway. Yes, it's a
giveaway.
giveaway. The month is ending.
Yes.
I think next video we're gonna select the winner. So if you haven't get into that yet, go to saltytales.tv. Subscribe to the newsletters,
Yeah.
and you're in for the giveaway. But every month we have a giveaway. And guys, I'm working in something that I think we're gonna be shipping all over the planet, man. So you guys subscribe in that thing, and I bet you're gonna love that one
For
too.
you guys, yes.
That's all for you guys. And let me ask you something, my friend. Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
Did we?
Did we?
Did we?
We?
If we make you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your
Yes,
friends and
do
family,
so.
and leave your comments down there. I know you're going to have a lot of things to say about this. It is amazing. It is delicious. And if you haven't tried the ninja steak yet, I don't know on what planet you live in. You have to try that thing. That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
Mwah. Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
See ya!
Boop.